करना है उसे स्टार्ट करना है.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today, before we end the day, we have a AMAS star visiting us, and his MAANVIR SINGH, and he is the student of AMAS 77 and 81 batch, and he was recommended twice. First time for AFCAT entry, and second time for CDS OTA entry on 13th October from 21 SSB. And the merit list has come and is 190 in merit, very comfortable, and awaiting call up by the end of first week of March. And we go over to him to ask him how did he prepare, what was his method, which attempt it was, and also before that give a short introduction about yourself and what is your motivation to join the army.
Well, as sir introduced, my name is MAANVIR, and I'm from AMAS 77 batch. And introduction, I'll keep it short. I had done BTech from BTech Computer Science from Lovely Professional University. And after that, I came to serve for SSB training. And after my 4 attempts, that was 2 TES and 2 NCC, my first recommendation was on my 5th attempt, that was AFCAT 1 2025. And it was a very bittersweet moment, I would say, like when you are sitting there and the instructor says your name and you cannot just imagine that you have been recommended or so, mixed of crying and happiness and calling your father. I would say it was a very good moment to share. And in my AFCAT attempt, I was ranked year 124, but there was some medical issue that I could not clear. After that, I also gave my OTA entry. In OTA entry, it was a very good SSB, as I would say, because I had experience. And also, the interview as well as GTO went very smooth, very sleek. There are some differences, stark differences between AFCAT SSB as of GTOs are concerned, as sir knows, and Army that GTOs are concerned, GTO practices are concerned. But the rules remains the same, the 21 rules that are by hearted by each and every one of us. I still remember that once I cannot remember the one word, and I was sitting right beside that washroom for I would say 6 hours or so. But the training that you do here, the friends that you make will always be there with you. And I will be very proud to say that out of 100 of us, that was AMAS 77 back in, we were batched till 4th of October 2025. Out of them, almost all 30 or 28 of them us have got recommended. And we also had a small group that we made after AMAS, that is known as Deciders, which was made by a very good friend of mine, SINGH. And out of 10 of us, 6 of us have got recommended and 4 of us have got recommended twice. So I would say it is not the thing that you do here, it is the things that you do after here. After doing that, you have to maintain the personality. You have to wear the stark reasons that you're wearing formals now. You will remember it after, because the thing is, as sir said, people just take formals for SSB interviews and then they are shrinking and the shoes are tight and so you embody the person that you want to become. It doesn't only do it with TAC, with WATs, with SRTs. You have to embody the person. You have to make conscious efforts as to what you have to do. You have to wake up early. You have to do general knowledge, which will boost your confidence. Then you have to interact with each other. You have to interact with the strangers as well. And now, then you have to have situations inside your mind that if you're saying that this is my strength, how have I shown my strength or how have I shown my weakness? And I would say that's all. Sandy sir was very good. Sandy sir is legend, I would say. And AMAS has a fan base of its own. People have taken AMAS names and said I was not even recommended for sitting in AMAS, and now they have very big channels on Instagram where they shout that I could not even clear it. But yes, it all goes by that. AMAS has, I would say, a cult-like following. In SSBs also, CHM will ask you for sure that who are AMAS students. And in Bhopal, I would not name the SSB. The CHM can just see your face and say that तू AMAS से है, तू मुझे बताएगा नहीं, मैं तुझे बाद में पूछूंगा. But as it says, yes, coaching pays out. Yes, the concentrated efforts that you put in, the practices that you do pays out. And I'm very happy to say that it has paid out for me. And it will also pay out for you if you have concentrated efforts towards your goal. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit. So that was his journey. I think 3-4 times he went and he has done this and he imbibed whatever was taught in the class. And out of everything, one does remember the punishments, right? That doesn't forget. But if the punishment results in good results, then that is worth it. Okay, so then that is worth it because sometime or other, as instructors, we have to put you on the right path. We find a student is debating. I've forgotten where I made him sit there, right there. But he was a little mischievous child. Am I right? You must be doing some mischief in the class or talking or something. I made him sit behind. Oh, it was seat bani hui na piche. Okay. So all that, but at the end of it, once he becomes an officer, he'll ensure discipline among his soldiers, among his, as a leader. I'm sure he'll do well in his training. So, heartiest congratulations, Manvi, and I wish you all the best for the training. And to remind you of AMAS, we will present you the AMAS tie and the cup, which you can carry. And to repay his loan of sweets, he's got chocolates for you, which you will have at the end of it. Thank you.